2025 Hot Sales 250cc Motos 400cc water-cooled racing motorcycles. Model No RZM400D6D. After sales service, 1 year or 6,000 kilometers. Warranty, 1 year or 6,000 kilometers. Type, racing motorcycle. Displacement, 250cc. Engine type, 4-stroke. Options. 1. This model can use 150cc, 200cc and 250cc single-cylinder air-cooled, or oil-cooled, balance shaft engines, and can also use 400cc water-cooled two-cylinder engines. 2. The front shock absorber have normal type or inverted type. Their front disc brake, stem steering and handlebar will also change accordingly. 3. AFI, ABS and remotor control are optional. If you interested any of our model or have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us.